Okay, this is the Geometry Chapter 9 review, and this is the last page, page 4. It says, identify the dilation and state its scale factor. So the original doesn't have the mark next to it. This is the new image after it. So here we have the original, and then the new image. We're going from big to small, so this is a reduction. So I expect the scale factor to be some number less than 1. This whole unit is 14. If I take 14 divided by 6, whatever that length is, then I think that we can find our scale factor. 14 divided by 6, I can divide both of those by 2, and I get 7/3. 14 divided by 6 is 2.3. Okay. Something's not right because that's still giving me a number greater than 1. So maybe I just have to go the opposite direction and go from the smaller number to the bigger number. Take 6/14, divide both of those by 2, and then I would have 3/7 for my scale factor. Let's see, if I take the big thing times 3/7, does it give me 6? Let's see, 14 times 3/7 gives me 6. That's the right direction. I was headed the wrong way. Okay, let's try number 20. The original image is this little triangle, and then the new one is that big one, so we're going from small to large. This is an enlargement. So my scale factor should be a number greater than 1. Okay, this whole length is 6 plus 4. The whole length is 10, and then this little bit is 4. So I'm going to come up with 10 divided by 4. Those can each be divided by 2, which is 5/2 or 2.5. I kind of like that one for a scale factor, but either of these answers is just fine. So reduction, 3/7, enlargement, 5/2 or 2.5 scale factor. Okay, this last one. Find the image of each polygon with the given vertices after a dilation centered at the origin with the given scale factor. Okay, to do a dilation from the origin, it follows this rule where K is the scale factor. So find the image after a dilation. So it looks like it's not specifically asking us to graph the original. So we can skip over that part if we want. But we are going to use the scale factor of 2.5. So for J prime is going to be -2 times 2.5 gives us -5. And 4 times 2.5 is 10. So -5, 10 for J prime. K prime. Since I already took -2 times 2.5 and got 5, -5, I'm going to get that for both of those as well. So we have -5 and -5. If you don't believe me, you can try it out on the calculator. Okay, when we did 4, we got 10. So -4 is going to give us -10. -2 is going to give us -5. M prime, -4 is going to give us -10 again. And 2 is going to give us +5. So let's plot this. -5, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the way to the end. -5, -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's K prime. -10, -5. Going to be there for L prime. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, that's 10 left. And -10, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is going to be M prime. We could plot the original just to verify to ourselves that we think that's what's happening. Left 2, up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 would have been J. Left 2, down 2. Left 4, 4 up, down 2 would be L, and M is -4, 2. Okay, after a dilation center at the origin with the given scale factor. I think we've got it. All right, let's try number 22. Q is at 0, 6, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. R is negative 6, negative 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. S is 9, negative 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and the scale factor is 1/3, so this is going to be a reduction. It's going to go smaller. So 0 times 1/3 is 0. 6 times 1/3 is 2. Negative 6 times 1/3 is negative 2. Negative 3 times 1/3 is negative 1. 9 times 1/3 is 3. And negative 3 times 1/3 is negative 1 again. You can check this with your calculator. Let me show you. 9 times, parentheses, 1 divided by 3. That's how you can multiply 9 times 1/3 and get 3 out of it. Anyway, you can try that for all of those. Q is 0, 2, Q prime. R is negative 2, negative 1, R prime. And S is 1, 2, 3, negative 1, S prime. Right there. And we have done our reduction. All right, everybody, so if you were able to complete this independently, and then you can check and see that your answers match mine. If I haven't made an error, then you're ready for the test. If you haven't been able to solve it all by yourself, then any of these things might need a little bit of extra practice. So you can use a note card. So create for yourself what you need to remember the skills and practice well so that you're ready for the test on Tuesday. See you later.